Alright, team, I've got something exciting to share with you guys.
Ooh, surprises.
Did we get a new coffee machine?
Fours, we're a remote team. You know that, right?
Are we forming an Odyssey Valorant team for ranked matches?
Actually, yeah.
Really?
No.
Did we get an office cut?
Again, we're a remote team, Tabarak.
If this is not a team calendar sync, I'm leaving.
Even better, Odyssey merch. So I got some for all of you guys. Fours, here you go.
Thank you.
Tabarak,
Thank you.
Omar,
Thank you.
Alia.
That's actually so cute.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let me get mine too.
MashaAllah.